friends, welcome to Happily Veg, where we share simple, delicious and nutritious vegetarian recipes. My name is Shraddha. Today we are going to prepare coconut chutney, which is an important accompaniment with South Indian delicacies like idli, dosa and medu vada. Coconut is a complete food rich in calories, vitamins, minerals and dietary fiber. Consuming coconut or coconut water gives instant energy boost and has a lot of health benefits. Now let's get started with our coconut chutney recipe. We would need 1 cup freshly grated coconut or desiccated coconut. I prefer freshly grated coconut because it makes the coconut chutney more tasty. 2 teaspoons roasted chana dal, which is also known as dalia. 1 green chili chopped. If you like the coconut chutney to be more spicy, you can add 1 more green chili. 1/2 inch ginger, which is peeled and chopped. Salt as per taste. I like my coconut chutney to have a bit of sweet and sour taste, so I have also taken little bit of sugar and a piece of tamarind. For tempering, we would need 2 to 3 teaspoons of cooking oil, 1/3 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/3 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon urad dal, 1 dried whole red chili, a few curry leaves and asafoetida or hing. I have taken a few coriander leaves for garnishing. First, in a mixer grinder, we are going to add all the ingredients required for the chutney except the ingredients for tempering and garnishing. We will need to add a little bit of water to grind the chutney to a smooth consistency. Remember, if you are using desiccated coconut, you will need to add warm water. Here I have taken out the coconut chutney mixture in a glass bowl. Now we will take a look at the tempering part. Let us first heat the oil in a tempering or tadka pan. Once the oil is hot, we will add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Next, we will be adding the cumin seeds and the urad dal. We need to fry the urad dal till it turns brown. As you can see, the urad dal is turning brown. Now we will add the red chili, the curry leaves. Saute this for a few seconds. Lastly, add asafoetida. After you add asafoetida, within a few seconds, switch off the flame as asafoetida turns to burn. Now we are going to put this tempering on our coconut chutney. As you can see, I have poured the tempering on the chutney. Immediately, we need to mix this well. Now we are garnishing our chutney with coriander. Friends, our yummy coconut chutney is ready to be served. I can't wait to taste it. If you loved this video, please like it and also share your thoughts in the comment section below. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel Happily Veg for more such recipes. Till then, stay happy, stay veg.